मिटींग म्हणजे रिवर नॅव्हिगेशन डिपार्टमेंट त्या आमी एक वॉटर मेट्रो प्रोजेक्ट करतात आमी सीएमाक अपडेट दिवपाक कारण कांय दिसां पयलीं सीएम दिल्लीन गेल्ले वॉटर मेट्रो प्रोजेक्ट आसा पळय न्ही तो सँक्शन करपा खातीर आनीक आमचे सेंट्रल मिनिस्टरा कडेन सोनोवाला साहेबाक तांणी ब्रीफ केलें अँड तो फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्टूय दिलो ताजे नंतर आमची फेज 2 भितर आशिल्ली अँड देर that entire project, because of Chief Minister's intervention, it came on the first phase in Vidrallo. There were some project states, another 2 states which were there in the first phase, and आमची feasibility report पळोवन आणि सीएमाचे intervention जावन तो first phase in Vidrallo. So we are going ahead with this project, and there are certain things that needs to be consultancy जावन DPR बी करपा खातीर आमकां permission जाय आशिल्ली.
So which area, which place you
No,
are
that
getting
we had given 9 terminals that we have identified across the river of Mandovi and Juari. All this will be interconnected with metro kind of thing. So water metro project असा तो both आमचे लोकांक ट्रान्सपोर्टा खातीर आणि फॉर टुरिजमा खातीर तो बरो जातलो.
How would you take care तुमचे DPR and that fishing activity is not
No, fishing activity as of today it is not getting
because floating jetty.
No, these ferries which will go, it will not disturb the water below.
Okay.
Even today the fishing activities are not disturbed by ferries, though we have taking across, and these are on the coastal line of that. Coastal in a sense we don't go in a deep sea, आणि तातूंतल्यान the ferries ताजे propeller आसा पळय न्ही that propeller it will not flush water more.
And DPR kota म्हणटा पळय तेन्ना is it feasible for the government to run or you'll be looking out for PPP
model?
No, that is another part. The DPR will suggest us what is good. Government of Goa is not going to spend. The central government will come up with this, and we will find whether any of these partners who will come and they will run with the government creating revenue, some amount of revenue to the government, otherwise full revenue to the government.
So if everything goes well, by when it can start?
No, this is a big project. It cannot start within 3 months or like that. It
1 year?
will take
1 year एक वर्ष?
एक वर्षा भितर it will start taking shape.
Okay. तुवें 9 टर्मिनल्स म्हणले ते खंय खंय आसतले?
ना ते आम्ही पयर प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेऊन सांगला आय डू नॉट हॅव रेडी इन हँड. ओके, बट विच एवर टर्मिनल्स वेर देर आर करंटली आमचे मोस्ट ऑफ दी जेटीज बी आसा आनी थंय करतले, बट इट इज नॉट जस्ट गोईंग अक्रॉस. वी विल हॅव स्टेशन्स ऑन एवरी टर्मिनल. वी विल हॅव स्टेशन्स जशी मेट्रोची स्टेशन आसा तशी स्टेशन आसतली चेंज करपाक. मागीर त्या भागान आतां सपोजींग आमी कनेक्टिंग दिवार गेले, दिवाराचेर एक पोजिशन आसतलें त्या जाग्याचेर वी वील हॅव सम सेटअप वेरीन पीपल हू आर लोकल आसा ते वतलेच. तांकां पार्किंग स्टेशन जावं बाकीचे च्या रेस्टॉरंट हें सगळें आसतलेंच, कितें मार्केटींग प्लेस आसतलो. दी फॉरेनर्स अँड विजिटर्स जावं बाकीचे टुरिस्ट जे आसा पळय न्ही दे वील गो अलोंग अक्रॉस. थंय टेम्पल आसा, थंय चर्चीस आसा. They will go and they will find the touristic places that they will come back and go on the next stop. अशें हें आसतलें.
ओके, थँक्यू.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.